Welcome to the Thinking Worlds version 3.3 new features video. Firstly, we'll do some camera options. Select a camera and then click on the camera mode button. If you right click an area, then click Set Camera to View, this will move the camera that you've selected to the current view in the 3D world, wherever that may be. It's also possible to now, via right clicking on a camera and then setting the entity display options, you can hide the camera from view. To reshow the camera, use the entity list and then click display options and then uncheck the hide entity button. By right clicking a camera, you can now set the view to show the view from that camera itself. Now we'll show some of the new features of the logic canvas. Firstly, just observe what I've done already. We've got a distance watch which changes the camera to another camera, changes the player out of shot, and then starts a conversation with the character we've already put in. Then the camera looks over to the laptop camera, it pauses for a moment, then the game fades down, goes back to third person camera, and then fades back up. Now it's possible for other designers to understand your work to add comments to the logic canvas. To do this, simply click the comment button on the top toolbar and then move your comment to where you'd like it to be, then simply double click inside the comment area and then type what you'd like to type. This can be useful for explaining complex areas of logic or even as notes to yourself as you go through the game of features that need to be added or potential advancements in the logic that could be made. Now I'll quickly show you how to do another one. Click the comment button, move it to a sensible place, and then type the text that you'd like to enter. It is comments like these that can make collaboration easier, as it allows outside designers to see your logic very clearly and concisely without having to wade through. Also, it's possible to put these comments to give a more detailed description of groups than on the group name option. Now I'll quickly publish the game to show you the effect of the logic that I've inserted. As you'll see, the player character runs over to the person in the scene, and then we have a conversation, and then camera pans to look at the laptop, and it fades back to. Now that I've created another area of interest with a laptop on a table, another camera pointing at it, and a marker to move the player out of the way, we'll create the next bit of logic. Notice I've set the laptop to the open vertex animation laptop and also set the video to the Thinking Worlds logo. Okay, go back to your scene flow, and now notice we've inserted another distance watch which will manipulate the camera to the object view, move the player out of the way, but it will also open the laptop on a vertex animation, and then while this is happening it will pause, then play a video, and then it will pause again to wait for the video to finish. Now we're going to insert a flash node. This node will play a flash animation when it is triggered. So we set the flash animation to whatever we want it to be. In this case it's going to be an Egyptian show animation. The X and Y position are the position the animation starts in relation to the window, and the width and height are the width of the flash animation windows. Finally, export your journey to the internet and you'll see Thinking World's final new feature on show in this video. which is the video and flash animations, will now play through a web browser. Thanks for listening and watching. I hope you enjoy making powerful new learning games with thinking worlds.